I just opened my new package of 120 Polychrome pencils, and I want to show you that as much as people complain about Prismacolors breaking, the first tier, almost every single one of these has been busted. The tips have been chipped off, cracked, and busted in transport from Germany to the store and then sent to me. Look at that. Now, the other two tiers look perfectly fine. They look underneath. They look fine on the second tier. And they look fine on the bottom tier. It's just this. There's all this dust, and they're just, like I said, pretty much every tip has been cracked or busted in transport.